Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the biggest animals to ever walk the earth? Imagine creatures so vast they dwarf our largest buildings, animals so immense that they defy comprehension. It's a journey that will take us back millions of years to a time when giants ruled the world. We're about to embark on an adventure into the realm of the colossal and the gargantuan, where we'll encounter creatures that make today's largest beasts seem like mere insects. We'll traverse the ages, from the dawn of life to the present day, meeting these incredible animals at each turn. From the African plains to the depths of the ocean, from the tropical rainforest to the icy poles, we'll uncover the 10 largest animals to ever exist. We're starting from the 10th largest, working our way to the absolute biggest, a countdown to the titans of the animal kingdom. So, let's dive in, shall we? Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have the African elephant. This majestic creature holds the title of the largest land mammal on Earth today. They can reach a height of up to 13 feet and weigh as much as 6 tons. That's heavier than a school bus. The African elephant calls the diverse landscapes of the African continent home, from the savannas of the Serengeti to the dense rainforests of the Congo. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems, shaping the environment around them and even influencing the behavior of other species. Now let's delve into some fascinating facts. Did you know that African elephants have a longer pregnancy than any other mammal? That's right, they carry their young for a whopping 22 months. And their impressive tusks? They're actually elongated incisor teeth that continue to grow throughout their lives. A truly impressive beast. But we're just getting started. Sliding into the 9th spot, we find the saltwater crocodile. This grand reptile holds the title for the largest living crocodile on Earth. They can grow up to 7 meters long. That's about the length of a London double-decker bus turned on its side. These colossal creatures make their homes in the brackish waters of Southeast Asia and northern Australia. You'll find them lurking in mangrove swamps and estuaries, biding their time until an unsuspecting meal passes by. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that saltwater crocodiles have the most powerful bite of any animal? They can snap their jaws shut with a force of nearly 2 tons. That's like having a small car dropped on you. Despite their ferocity, these crocodiles are surprisingly good parents. Both males and females guard their nests and young diligently. A formidable predator indeed, but wait until you see what's next. At number 8, we encounter the white rhinoceros. This majestic beast is one of the largest land mammals, second only to the elephant. The white rhinoceros, or square-lipped rhinoceros as it's sometimes called, can grow up to 4 meters long and 2 meters high, weighing in at a staggering 2.5 tons. These colossal creatures inhabit the grasslands and savannas of Africa, where they spend their days grazing on grass, their wide, square lips perfectly adapted for such a diet. Now, here's a fun fact for you. Despite their imposing size, these rhinos are surprisingly agile and can gallop at 30 kilometers per hour. And while they may appear to be solitary, they are actually quite social creatures, often seen in groups or crashes of up to 14 individuals. An impressive creature, no doubt, but we've got bigger animals to discuss. Standing tall at number 7, we have the giraffe. This majestic creature is not just the tallest mammal, but indeed one of the most unique species on the planet. With a height that can reach up to 20 feet for males and 16 feet for females, they tower above the rest of their companions in the animal kingdom. Native to the savannas and woodlands of Africa, the giraffe's elongated neck allows it to feed on leaves and buds in treetops that are typically out of reach for other herbivores. Did you know that despite their long necks, giraffes still only have 7 vertebrae, just like humans, or that their tongues are a startling blue-black color, believed to be a form of sun protection? These fascinating creatures are more than just their iconic necks and spindly legs. They are a testament to nature's endless capacity for adaptation and diversity. A towering presence, but not the tallest creature on our list. Making a splash at number 6 is the hippopotamus. This colossal creature, commonly known as the river horse, is a marvel of the animal kingdom. It's not just their sheer size that's impressive, it's the way they inhabit their environment. Hippopotamuses are semi-aquatic mammals, spending their days submerged in rivers and lakes to keep their massive bodies cool under the African sun. These giants can weigh up to 3 tons and stretch up to 14 feet long, making them one of the largest land mammals on our planet. But don't let their size fool you. Despite their hefty build, hippos can run at speeds of up to 20 miles per hour on land, and their jaws? They're capable of opening a staggering 150 degrees wide, revealing teeth that can reach up to 1.5 feet in length. A hefty contender, but there are even bigger animals to come. Roaring into the 5th spot, we find the Kodiak bear. This behemoth of the bear family is a sight to behold, with males standing up to 10 feet tall when on their hind legs and weighing in at a staggering 1,500 pounds. That's more than the weight of a small car. The Kodiak bear calls the Kodiak Archipelago in Alaska home. Its isolated habitat has allowed it to evolve into the colossal creature we see today, with little competition for resources. Now here's a fun fact: despite their intimidating size, Kodiak bears are primarily omnivores with a diet that consists largely of salmon, berries and seaweed. They have an incredible sense of smell, even better than a hound dog's, allowing them to sniff out food from miles away. A towering presence in the animal kingdom, but there are even bigger creatures to discuss. Sliding into the 4th spot, we find the southern elephant seal. This colossal creature is not only the largest seal, but also the largest member of the carnivora order. Weighing in at a whopping 8,000 pounds and stretching up to 20 feet in length, the southern elephant seal makes its home in the chilly waters of the Antarctic. These seals are notorious divers, plunging to depths of over 2,000 feet in search of squid and fish, their primary diet. This deep diving ability is no mean feat. They can hold their breath for more than 100 minutes. That's longer than any other non-cetacean mammal. The southern elephant seal's name derives from its large size and the male's proboscis. Males use this elongated nose during the breeding season to produce loud roars, asserting dominance and attracting females. A massive marine mammal, but we're moving on to even larger animals. Stomping into the 3rd spot, we find the Argentinosaurus. This immense dinosaur, hailing from what is now Argentina, is one of the largest land animals to have ever roamed the earth. Its name, quite fittingly, means the silver lizard from Argentina. The Argentinosaurus was a true titan, with an estimated length of up to 100 feet, and possibly weighing in at a staggering 100 tons. Now, to put that into perspective, that's as heavy as 15 African elephants. This colossal creature lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 90 to 96 million years ago. The Argentinosaurus was a herbivore, surviving solely on a plant-based diet despite its enormous size. Fascinatingly, despite their intimidating size, these dinosaurs were likely quite social, living in herds for protection. These enormous dinosaurs truly lived up to their name, casting a giant shadow over the prehistoric landscapes they traversed. An absolute giant, but there are 2 more animals that were even larger. Swimming into the 2nd spot, we find the blue whale. These magnificent creatures are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth, dwarfing even the most enormous dinosaurs. Their tongues alone can weigh as much as an elephant, and their hearts as much as an automobile. Blue whales reside in all the world's oceans, except the Arctic, plying the vast open seas. Their long, slender bodies can stretch up to a staggering 100 feet in length, yet they feed almost exclusively on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. A single adult can consume up to 4 tons of krill in a day. These gentle giants are known for their incredible yet haunting songs, which can be heard for miles underwater. Scientists believe these low-frequency pulses are used for communication and echolocation. The largest animal currently living on Earth, but there's one more creature that was even bigger. And finally, the largest animal to have ever existed, the Amphicoelius fragilimus. This colossal dinosaur was a true titan of its time, with estimates suggesting it could have reached lengths of up to 200 feet. That's longer than 2 blue whales, end to end. Its habitat was the lush, prehistoric landscapes of what is now North America around 150 million years ago. This sauropod, a family of long-necked dinosaurs, had a unique feature. Its vertebrae were hollow, which would have helped support its enormous size. The Amphicoelius fragilimus was a herbivore, feasting on the ample vegetation of the Jurassic period. Despite its gargantuan size, it likely moved with grace, its long neck reaching for the tops of trees, its tail swaying gently behind. Imagine the ground shaking with each step of this behemoth, a testament to the incredible diversity and scale of life on our planet. And there you have it, the biggest animals to ever walk the earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the giants of the animal kingdom.